In front of me is nothing phone 3A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit apps. Then scroll again to tap on app clocker. Enter your current login method and click on those squares next to apps you wish to lock. Then go back. So now when I switch off my screen, turn it back on. And then try to access one of those apps. I can see that pattern is required. To disable app lock from any of your apps, go back to the same settings, enter your login method and click on squares with check marks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!